Peacock. Peacock means
मोर.
peahen. Peahen means
मोरनी.
parrot. Parrot means
तोता.
pigeon. Pigeon means
कबूतर. मैना. मैना
means
मैना.
crow. Crow means
कौवा.
sparrow. Sparrow means
गौरैया.
cuckoo. Cuckoo means
कोयल. कोयल. कोयल
means
कोयल.
greater cockle. Greater cockle means
महोक.
greater cockle. Greater cockle means
भारद्वाज.
drongo. Drongo means
भुजंग.
drongo. Drongo means
कोतवाल.
dove. Dove means
फाख्ता.
dove. Dove means
पड़की.
dove. Dove means
सफेद कबूतर.
cock. Cock means
मुर्गा.
hen. Hen means
मुर्गी.
chick. Chick means
मुर्गी का बच्चा.
duck. Duck means
बतख.
ducklings. Ducklings means
बतख का बच्चा.
drake. Drake means
नर बत्तख.
swan. Swan means
हंस.
cygnet. Cygnet means
हंस का बच्चा.
goose. Goose means
कलहंस.
owl. Owl means
उल्लू. बुलबुल. बुलबुल
means
बुलबुल.
nightingale. Nightingale means
बुलबुल.
sunbird. Sunbird means
शकरखोरा.
sunbird. Sunbird means sunbird. Robin. Robin means
कलचुरी.
robin. Robin means
रोबिन. पित्ता. पित्ता
means
नवरंग.
ostrich. Ostrich means
शुतुरमुर्ग.
penguin. Penguin means penguin. Flamingo. Flamingo means
राजहंस.
woodpecker. Woodpecker means
कठफोड़वा.
egret. Egret means
बगुला.
heron. Heron means
बगुला.
wader. Wader means
बगुला.
wading bird. Wading bird means
बगुला.
vulture. Vulture means
गिद्ध.
Egyptian vulture. Egyptian vulture means
सफेद गिद्ध.
kite. Kite means
गरुड़.
eagle. Eagle means
चील.
hawk. Hawk means
बाज.
falcon. Falcon means
बाज.
stork. Stork means
सारस.
crane. Crane means
सारस.
ibis. Ibis means
बुज्जा.
cormorant. Cormorant means
जलकाग.
cormorant. Cormorant means
जलकौआ.
kingfisher. Kingfisher means
रामचिरैया
hummingbird. Hummingbird means
गुंजन पक्षी
hoopoo. Hoopoo means
हुदहुद बया बया
means
बाया
quail. Quail means
बटेर
swallow. Swallow means
अबाबील
warbler. Warbler means
फुदकी
pheasant. Pheasant means
तीतर
partridge. Partridge means
तीतर छूकर
partridge.
छूकर
Partridge means
चकोर
wagtail. Wagtail means
खंजन
hornbill. Hornbill means
धनेश
Indian roller. Indian roller means
नीलकंठ
golden oriole. Golden oriole means
पीलक
macaw. Macaw means
बहुरंगी तोता
bat. Bat means
चमगादड़
lark. Lark means
भारवदाज
skylark. Skylark means
चातक
kiwi. Kiwi means kiwi. Crested bunting. Crested bunting means
तुरेवाला भारीट
osprey. Osprey means
मछली मार
pewit. Pewit means
टिटहरी